皆さんこんばんは。皆さんこんにちは。ラクルです。So this extra review things is gonna be split into a couple of parts because just getting these alone took me 30 minutes and I got into 10 minutes of the video, so I decided to make it into parts. So these are just extra notes. I will leave the link of the video down below if you do want to go check it out. Honestly suggest you to check him out because he's pretty cool and breaks down he's pretty cool and breaks down these stuff. Some of these are notes that he had written down on his explaining thing, and some of them are just notes that I put down just to remind myself. Okay, so what I'll be taking notes on for this first thing right here is this and that, here and there, who's in Japanese, to in Japanese. Hope you guys can see that. There you go. Who's in Japanese. Oh, I already said these two. Negative statements and useful sentence enders. I think on this part I'll be going for this and that and here and, well, no, this and that. I'll be going over this and that, and I might be leading on to that in the next part too, because this might take a little bit. Alright, so here are the words I'm going to be using. Kore, this, near you, like near me. Sore, near the person you were talking to. Are, oh, sore means that, but near the person you were talking to. Are means that, but near nobody, like it's far away. Okay, these are some easy sentences. He said I could make with them. They're literally the most easiest thing ever. Literally, zore, which means this. Oh, I didn't say dore. Dore is like which, question mark. 3 or more though. He said there's a different one for like 2 or something. Sore means that. Oh, gomenasai. You could say kore in a sentence just by itself. Sore in a sentence by itself too. Are in a sentence by itself. And dore, like dore, in a question by itself too. Yes, these notes are colorful. Oh, look what my mom did. That's cute. Okay. So I'm making sure you guys can see it. Alright, so それは何ですか? Which means what is this? So you can see I color coded it to the words that I'm talking about. Now we're gonna go for それはピカチュです. That is Pikachu. Next is どれ, which is like which one. If they were 3 or more, I could say that. See what I mean by like little extra notes? Did I put down? Okay. Alright. So we had to fix this a little bit. The zooming in and out and stuff. So new word I heard is chiranai, which means I don't know, but informal way to say I don't know. In a conversation, you could mix up words in Japanese. And he says that's where the particles come in. They are very important. See? 何ですか? Sore? Which kind of got me confused a little bit. But look. I was just like, oh, that makes sense. Which means, what's this? I guess where you really place it depends on what this would say. If it will have like, you know what I mean. Alright, next is これは納豆です。ですよ, which is this is 納豆. I tell you. Alright, now we are moving on to specific this and that in Japanese. Kono, which means this near you. Sono, which means that near them. Ano, which means that near nobody. Dono, which means which, question mark, 3 or more. And as you can tell, they're pretty similar. He explains this in the video that they're pretty similar. It's just the first characters of the words, but the next one has no on it. Alright. This is the difference between kono and kore and kono is that kono requires a noun and kore does not. Kono plus noun, basically. So the no is a noun, which I already learned in like the first Genki episode, and that was way before I started this YouTube thing. So, yep. Word that I'll be using, hon. You want to know how to spell out hon. That will be, oh my god, hon, which means book. Kono hon, this book. Zono hon, that book. Ano hon, that book. Near nobody, far away. And dono hon, which means which book. As you could tell, there was an aga here, but yeah, that's where I will stop it, and see you guys in the next one.